If you're facing a problem where your Facebook cover photo is not saving, this is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. The first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and head into your Facebook application and go to your profile and tap on your cover area. Once you simply go ahead and do that, it will ask you to either edit cover or make temporary. You can simply click on edit. Then you can simply go ahead and choose a new photo if you want to. Keep in mind the recommended size is going to be 820 by 312 pixel. You can simply drag to position your cover photo and then click on save, and it should go ahead and save. But if it still doesn't, the first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. You can also try restarting your router. Use the recommended image size, as I already mentioned. If you're on an Android device, you can simply go ahead and clear cache and data. Your application might also have a pending update. Simply go ahead and update your Facebook, or you could also try a different photo, or at last try logging out and logging back in and do it again. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.